Okay, you DIY superheroes. Today, we're going to take a look at another Harbor Freight product. And this is the one that I really like. And I wish they made it in a bigger size, like a 9 by 12 or a 12 by 15. It is, as you can see, the poly-coated canvas drop cloth. Item number 93713. It's the big top 4 by 12 runner. That's what they call the 4-foot ones, the runners. Okay, here's your features. Canvas side of a drop cloth absorbs paint. Poly-coated side prevents it from passing through the cloth. And if you've ever had to get paint up off of a carpet or something like that, because it's soaked through the canvas, you know what a pain that is. Protects floors and carpets, reusable, heavy duty, great for hallway and narrow spaces, made of durable 7-ounce cotton canvas, which 7-ounce isn't really that heavy. I guess unless you're using a lighter weight. But anyway, it's perfect. I love it for hallways, and sometimes, I'll be honest with you, I don't always use a drop cloth, but on carpet, I do. If I'm doing tile, flooring or something like that, and I'm using latex wipes up very easy, and if you miss it and it dries, it pops right up on most surfaces except for carpet. So anyway, I stopped and got a new one the other day at Harbor Freight, and as you can see, it does very well covering this hallway. I like it's durable. I dropped some, I had to paint a 5-gallon bucket in here the other day. And as you can see, I dropped some paint on it, and it did what it was supposed to. The other ones I've had of this have been very good. Let's take a look at this little label right here. Cotton canvas, beige with heavy duty poly coating, blue on one side, as if we could not see that. But hey, this is it's still, with the coating, it's still pretty thick. The coating helps it. So some of y'all may need to read this. Keep away from flames. To clean the drop cloth, use damp cloth, wipe dry. Do not cover warm or hot surfaces. That should be pretty common sense, but in this day and time, maybe not so much. Poly material may transfer something. I got paint on it. I can't see. But anyway, now I'm really curious what that says. Poly material may something transfer its color. But anyway, I don't have a blue rug. Still got brown carpet, so I'm fine. Like I said, it's great for rooms like this, and I use now this is the Harbor Freight. In fact, all my drop cloths are from Harbor Freight, except that really nasty one over here, and it's from Walmart. Now I've used that Walmart one that's like $6 or $7. It's like paper with some little bit of vinyl, and it's a disposable product. Okay, you use it once, throw it away. But if this wasn't carpet, if this was tile or laminate or something, I probably wouldn't even be using a drop cloth. But if you need a drop cloth, get this one. I wish they made this in a 9 by 12 or something. I got this, and I think this one was $14. And of course, I always save my coupons that come in the Family Handyman, and comes in the Val pack or whatever, and then the ones I get in the flyer in the mail. So I got 20% off, and that's how I buy my drop cloths from Harbor Freight. They last just as good as, I've got the regular, like I said, the regular canvas one. I think this is a 9 by 12. This one here from Harbor Freight. Held up just as good as the $20 and $30 ones from Lowe's. Now, some of those from Lowe's and stuff, you always want to look at the weight of your canvas. Some of them may be a little heavier, some of them not so much. So anyway, if you're new to painting, you want this vinyl so your paint and stuff won't go through. Now, like I said, a lot of times I'll just take a runner, 4-foot runner. Well, 4-foot runner, this room's only 9 foot wide, so if you had 4-foot runner on each side, you'd only have a foot right there in the middle. A lot of times, all you need is 4-foot runner around the room if you're not, especially if you're just doing the walls. So definitely something inexpensive, but has a tremendous value, especially if you don't like getting paint on your floors. So save up your coupons, run down and buy this. Especially if you do any kind of painting at all. This would be maybe great working out in the garage if you didn't want to get paint all over someplace, stain, stuff like that. So anyway, hey, I just thought I'd bring this quick review of the 4x12 poly coated canvas drop cloth from Harbor Freight. So anyway, y'all, have a good one. Remember, like and subscribe. Click the little bell down there so you get notified every time I post up a video. And this home will probably have a few more videos made from it. These are the rooms. If you see my what was it, roll the popcorn ceiling, that may be one in the future I do. Oh, the monkey flinging poo video, that's where I made this one too. And there's a lot more stuff here to do. So anyway, hey, I'm gonna get off here, get to work, and we'll catch you down the road. Donald for BlueCollarDIY.com. I'm out.